Ireland, a land of rolling green hills, ancient legends, and a name that echoes through history, St. Patrick. But who was the man behind the myth? Let's take a journey back to the 5th century and uncover the story of Ireland's patron saint. Born in Roman Britain around 385 AD, Patrick, originally named Maewyn Succat, was the son of a noble family. But his life of comfort was shattered when Irish raiders stormed his village. At just 16, he was kidnapped and taken across the sea to a land that would one day call him its greatest hero. For 6 long years, Patrick lived as a slave, tending sheep in the harsh Irish wilderness. Cold, hungry, and alone, he turned to prayer, and in those silent moments, his faith grew stronger, until one night, he had a dream voice whispered, "Your ship is ready." Believing this to be a sign from God, Patrick made a daring escape, traveling 200 miles on foot to the coast. There, against all odds, he found a ship willing to take him home. Back in Britain, Patrick was free, but his soul remained restless. One night, he had another vision. The Irish people were calling him back. "Come walk among us once more," they pleaded. He knew what he had to do. Patrick became a bishop and returned to the land of his captivity, not as a slave, but as a messenger of faith. His mission? To spread Christianity throughout Ireland. But he would face resistance. Ireland was ruled by powerful chieftains and Druids who saw Patrick as a threat. But he was fearless. On Easter's Eve, he climbed the Hill of Slain and lit a fire, defying the High King's law. His flame could not be extinguished, and neither could his mission. With courage and conviction, Patrick converted thousands. Legend says he drove the snakes from Ireland, a symbol of banishing old ways and bringing in the new faith. He used the humble shamrock to explain the Holy Trinity, a symbol that remains iconic to this day. By the time of his death on March 17th, 461 AD, Patrick had changed Ireland forever. He had turned a pagan land into a center of Christianity. Today, we celebrate St. Patrick with parades, music, and traditions. But beyond the revelry, his story is one of resilience, faith, and the power of destiny. From a captive boy to the spiritual father of a nation, St. Patrick's legacy still burns bright. So this St. Patrick's Day, remember the man behind the legend. Slanter